Hello friends, in this video we will upload and install a WordPress theme. First of all, go to Appearance and then Themes. Click on Add New. Click on Upload Theme. Then browse. Go to the location where your theme exists. In this case, we have the Hello Elementor theme. Select it and click on Open. Install now. Now we have to activate the theme. As you can see, our active theme is Hello Elementor. It is a good practice to delete the other themes to have a high performing website and a less bloated website. So let us delete the extra themes. So this is how we can upload a WordPress theme to WordPress. So thanks for watching. If you need help with your website, contact me through my website. Link is in the description.